We need to get out of here fast.
What are we going to do?
If you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably seen a lot of videos on how to make money with GPT-3. But here's the thing, most of these videos only scratch the surface. They talk about ways to make a few bucks here and there, but they don't really show you how to build a sustainable business using GPT-3. And almost all the videos out there are about ChatGPT and not the OpenAI API, which is much more interesting because we can build tools and applications where the real money is. Of course, I'm not going to say that they are not explaining you how to use the GPT-3 API on purpose, because the most probably they have no idea how to use the API. So today, as an example, I want to share with you a new tool that I've been working on, and in the next few videos I'll teach you how to use the OpenAI API to create a tool like this. This tool has two main features: a text-to-speech engine with realistic voices and a GPT-3 content writer. The text-to-speech function, we can all imagine how it is, more or less, so I'm not going to explain it. But the most interesting part, the content writing function, which uses GPT-3, the most advanced language generation model ever released, will help you create writing content quickly and easily. But what sets this tool apart is that GPT-3 doesn't just create the writing content. I taught GPT-3 how to create audio using text-to-speech and put emotions into those voices by itself.
Here we are on the platform I created.
Now I'm in the content generation function and I added 3 American male voices. Now I'm going to ask the artificial intelligence to make a story of 2 friends escaping from zombies. And I specified to the AI that one of the voices I selected will be the narrator and the other voices will be the characters.
Once upon a time there were 2 friends, Tony and Guy, who faced a difficult situation. Zombies were roaming the city, and the 2 were forced to escape.
We need to get out of here fast.
What are we going to do?
Tony and Guy knew they had to be brave and find a way to escape the zombies.
We can make it if we stay calm and keep our wits about us.
You're right, let's go.
With determination and courage, Tony and Guy were able to outsmart the zombies and make it to safety.
This makes it perfect for creating engaging videos, podcasts, or other audio content. With OpenAI API, we can build applications that can understand and respond to natural language inputs in ways that were not possible before. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for companies and entrepreneurs. And the best part? We're at the beginning of this revolution. Now is the time to start building and experimenting with GPT-3. While it is still relatively new and competition is low. If you start now, you will have an advantage over others who wait until the technology goes mainstream. So if you have an idea for an application that could use GPT-3, now is the time to start turning that idea into a reality. Who knows where it will take you? The future is exciting, and with GPT-3, it's yours for the taking. So, ready to learn how to use GPT-3 to create something amazing? All you have to do is watch the following next video. Our comprehensive tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, this video has something for everyone. So don't wait, start creating with GPT-3 today.